Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Moody Orange Cinematics color grading in CapCut PC. So you can start by adding your video into the CapCut PC like this, and then let's go to adjustment in here at the top, and in here let's scroll down. Okay, so until you find this adjustment menu. So for the brightness, you can lower it into a increase it to 14 like this, and then the contrast 8, and the sharpness increase it to 15, and then add some vignette effect around 5 like this. And after that, let's go to the adjust L in here, and on the orange colors, set the hue to 14 and the saturation lower it to a negative 26 like this. And now just click on apply to all, and go to filters and find the Moody Fall filter. So I'm going to just search for it in here, this one, the Moody Fall. Download it first and add it to your clips like this. Don't forget to adjust the line, and you'll get that orange for your videos. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.